Okay, I'm back in the same spot as I was yesterday. I'm going to check the spot out that I didn't get to yesterday because it got dark on me. And I walked in and found this little guy. He's got speckles on him. Oh, here we go. I don't know, Jasper. We'll see. I'm going to take him home. There's another one. And then I don't know what that is, but I'm going to keep it and see. Look at that little thing. It's a loving hagstone. That's cute. That's definitely going with me. I don't know what that is. It's really clear. Oh, it's quartz. Just walking along, and this poor little guy, something got him. He's still wiggling. He's very pretty. But I don't know if you can see. Look at all the little minnows that's hatched out. So many. I wonder who just got this guy. He's just hanging out, trying to do the best he can with half a body. Yep, he's still there. He guarded everything. I don't see any other footprints or anything in here, so he did a very good job. Good job, sir. Well done. Lion did such a good job that no one found this agate. Is it an agate? I don't know. I don't have my glasses on. We'll see about it. Pretty sure it is. If I could keep it in the center of the camera, what is wrong with me? Oop, there's another one. Very nice. What's that? What is that? No, nothing. Okay, guys, I'm back where I left off last night, and I'm going to look in this gravel bed here right before I go over there, because I didn't get to do a very good job of it last night. Just going to kind of poke around here, because I could have swore I left an agate. When I was editing, I thought I saw one. So I'm going to look again. Peekaboo, I see you. He is so cute. Well, I wanted to go that way, but I don't think I can get around that. I'm going to try. If not, I'm this way bound. Just so everybody knows, when you're walking around the creek, you should stay away from those. They're stinging nettles, and they bug the hell out of you. I made it, but now I got to get some mud. So if you ever come in contact with stinging nettles, that's what you got to do. Looky there. That's a nice little bit of jasper. Or, oops, nope, that's hematite. But, look at that. That has to go in my pocket. I'll lose it. But still, I don't know, is it jasper or hematite? Look at that little guy. Oh man, oops, I keep doing it. I wish I had a giant piece like that, but I'll take the itty bitties all day. Pretty. Oh, look at the cute little banding on it. Oh. Now here's a rock with all sorts of banding on it. Is it banding or is it a fossil? I'm not sure. My camera's having a hard time focusing. There's a little piece of petrified wood. Oop. And then I don't know if that's an agate or not. I don't think it is. Whoop. Do you see? By the time I'm 150 years old, I will have an entire jar full of these. This is really cool. I'm going to keep that. Ooh. That's a pretty black rock. I don't know. I find this one prettier than that one. I think that's an agate. That right there is an ugly little rock. I wonder if it's an agate. I'll probably cut some of these open. See if they are. I think that's a big chunk of red hematite. Yep. I'll keep that. Maybe I should check the weather. Ooh, what's that? Oh man, I can't believe I almost missed him. Where's he at on here? Oop, there he is. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Ooh, ooh, boop. Okay, you guys, you see them together? Agate, crinoid, boop. Is that an agate? With the shell on? I don't know. Maybe I can cut it. It might be. I might just smash it with a rock. I think I'm going to look at these two gravel beds. I don't know what's around that corner, but it is thundering pretty good. It got cooler, which is nicer. But I feel like I'm going to get rained on. Look at these two little Jaspers. Misty, I think you'll like those. What is this thing? Oh, it's nothing. It's nothing. It's starting to rain. I'm around the bend, but I promise. I'm just going to look here and there, just down to that bend, and then I'm going to go. I just made one more step. I think that is an agate, and I know that is a jasper. Ooh, look at that rust. Curious. Okay, I know I said I was going, but a little rain never hurt. If I would have left, I wouldn't have found this cool fossil. You see, the rain makes it harder to find things. Like this. I don't know what that is. Jasper, agate. Hell, they all look like agates now. They're wet. I wonder if that's soft. Nope, it's hard. What? Isn't that pretty? That's definitely a misty rock. I think it's jasper. And hell, it's almost polished for her already. I know this is just quartz, but it's so pretty. And it might be just because it's wet, but check it. It matches my shirt. Look at that. Matches my shirt. I don't know what that is. Ooh, I think that is an agate. Yeah, I think that's an agate. Okay, the rain's kind of calming down. First of all, look at that pretty quartz. Taking that. And then if this looks this pretty wet, it'll look like that polished. That if you bring a basket with you, you bring a basket full out. And if you just don't take one, then you just bring your pocketfuls out and what you can carry. Just a lot of cool stuff. So I'm gonna take it home and wash it all up. And that's not including all the goodies in my pocket. Okay, so I would like to publicly apologize to my dad, Floyd. Turns out you're right about these fishing shirts. I used to make fun of you all the time. Why are you wearing the long sleeves? It's 100 degrees outside. I get it now. They keep the bugs off. They're cooler. I'm pretty much sold on them. Okay, so this is my collection over the last 3 days. It's been about a total of 3.5 hours maybe. Here's your hematite, your agates, and my petrified wood, and these agates, and these dudes, these two beautiful babies. There's those. You saw this whopper. He's so ugly on this side. He's not much better on that side either, but it's an agate. And then this guy here, it's an agate, but it's also a fossil. So I could find out where it's at. Oh, there's one. There's one. And where's my horn coral? There's the whole reason why I picked him up. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. Boop. Right there. Just sneaking away. Hiding out. And then all of those little fossils. The best thing here, my heart-shaped hagstone. My other heart-shaped stone. I don't know what those two black rocks are, but they're really super hard. And this is Silvery Stone. I'm gonna stop worrying about things. And then here you go, Misty. Look at all your Jaspers I got for you. This one's a pretty one. Once you get all the goober off of it. And this one's a pretty one. And then here's all the rest of the menagerie. I wasn't sure. I don't know what some of these are. But I have no idea what this is. This is a crystal of some sort. Because you can see like terminations on it, but I'm not sure. And I cut this ugly dude right here. I cut him in half only to see that he, well, yeah, I licked it, but he just looks like that on the inside. I'm not sure. It's just, some things are just rocks. As my dad would say, some things are just rocks. It's just a rock. But so far, this is the main collection of agates found in northwest Missouri. Now, out of this group, I don't know what they're going to look like on the inside, if I even cut them open, but I know that dude is clear, and I know some of these are really pretty, like he's beautiful, but we're going to go to Kansas and see what we can find there, because everybody keeps saying they can find Lake Superior agates in Kansas, so we're going to see.